Tie your eye with this.
Hey, they go see my real face.
Tie your eye with this thing.
I go shit too.
Hello, Mom.
Blindfold me. Memories.
No, they do this.
Blindfold me.
Blindfold me, baby. Give me memories.
Your wish is my command.
Oh, yes. We shall have a safe word.
Oh, yeah.
What is the safe word?
The safe word
Now
is...
the same show now we they do. I mean another thing these people they do. I beg you.
Now,
Shades of blonde.
easy bit. Tie petite
Why
face.
is it
I go
cheap?
Petit, calm down, calm down.
Are they blindfolding petite?
No. Easy, come here. You come here. Blindfold. More bring one person from audience. Oh yeah, you come.
Let the person fine.
You fine.
No bring pupu yeke.
Oh yeah, easy bit. Tie this one face too.
I don't see anything for you.
Who be the person? Are they blindfolding you?
Yes.
Don't worry, I got you.
Okay, I
Who did the person live by your right?
Hold me. I don't care about anybody else.
Yes, baby.
As long as petite is petitely fine.
If una find out say after 9 months you to get belly.
Now, Uti, you go chop something. Once you chop the thing, you go tell
Chop
us.
what?
You go. Don't worry, it's safe. You go tell us what be the thing.
But not be human being body.
No, not be human body. You go tell us what they inside the thing where you chop.
This thing is sounding too sexual.
Don't worry. We go give you.
I dare here.
May I tell you something? My sense of smell is very strong.
Okay.
I can already smell goat.
I dey person pepper soup for here.
Wait. Now, Uti, what you go tell me, once you chop this tea, you go say, Nedu, it be like those people they taste wine, where then go drink them. Chateau Ordonnay 1842.
I taste rose petals.
Oh yeah,
I
take,
taste the
open
smell.
your mouth, Uti. I'm feeding you.
Hey, open your mouth. It smells like a father too.
Oh yeah.
Okay, there's rice. It's disgusting.
Rice and waiting. Curry. Got time. We will come back to you. Just the think. Petit, it's your turn.
I dey here.
I know there's rice.
It's good. You go purge for 2 weeks.
Back when we did Manchester, we don't do this.
Leave him.
Open your mouth. Say Petit the shake. Open your mouth.
Don't give me X1.
Not be earthworm now. As if you know they open your mouth from other things. Oh yeah, what do you taste?
Even like say person will cook this in a Yoruba, you forget in hand for pot.
What did it? What do you chop? What did they
some
say?
protein.
Send me the inside here.
Yeah. Either like
This person will cook this in from Anambra.
goat or chicken.
Goat or chicken. So your own now rice
Oh, beef,
and
beef.
Rice and beef.
There's rice, there's beef.
Uti, you
There's
feel
something
Now
like...
just give me stew, man, chop.
your own now what do you chop?
Now just stew now.
Stew. So you know what be the thing where you taste inside?
Onion. Why you go pack plenty onion put inside?
Oh yeah, too quiet.
Now soon they don't give
Oh yeah,
you.
you don't do. Oh
Now
yeah.
soon they
Mo
give you.
feed. What is your name?
That's what
Hilda.
I'm saying. I'm smelling asu.
Chineke, can't go on.
Don't choke. Are you okay? You dey okay?
I think, oh, I'm okay, baby.
You dey okay?
I'm okay, baby.
Okay.
Mona, wait.
okay.
Mona, they do. I love you. We'll give room to offer. Oh yeah. Open your maybe on again. Open your mouth.
There's something sweet here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They do be like say person will cook this food, put plenty pepper and salt.
Petit, Cherugodu, keep
say
quiet.
na asu.
Keep quiet. Make sure gone.
Come shut am.
Hilda, what do you
You
taste?
see the chop.
Is it toothpaste? No.
Now chop your night food here. If you like say na night food, this one I chop.
He said,
Oh yeah, what do you taste? Chicken.
chicken and...
Salad. Why would I go give her chicken? Now go they give me stew.
Wait,
Na asu they give.
chicken, salad, and what?
Because I said goat meat, they give me something else.
And waiting.
That's rice.
Oh yeah, remove your blindfold. All of you, remove your blindfold.
I said though.
Wow.
Now, all of them, the person where they closest to winning, I be Hilda.
Hilda.
She chop chicken, salad, and garlic, then mix am with the garlic.
I don't say person
You
put
say you
plenty
chop
tomato
stew.
for this.
So now egg sauce plus including ice cream, 9 days for inside here.
I mean, what's this?
The Uti,
he chop rice,
Beef.
plus including, I'm even the pink.
Exactly. I know that there's something sweet.
It be like yogurt. I don't know, but I better wanna clap for them. Clap for them. Our producer, you can go back to your seat. You try.
I tried that. Taste rice and beef.
Thank you. Ngwa go. Hilda, come carry your knife.
Oh, sorry.
Come carry.
Oh yeah.
Who want
Are you
chop
not going
this
to
one?
dip?
Yeah.
You will dip now.
Who want chop? You want chop this one? Oh yeah, can't take. Hurry up, quick. Don't waste my time.
Small.
You want chop? My brother, if you purge, I know there. Anyway, Uti, thank you very much. One more time, please put your hands together for Uti.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.